Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to do fish balls. These fish balls are very easy to make and will taste so good. First let us start steaming the fish. This is around half a kg of fish. We are going to steam this. Steam cook this for around 15 to 20 minutes and collect the flesh part alone. Next we'll move on and do a masala. Pour some oil in a pan. To this add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute the ginger garlic paste well. To this add 1/4 cup of chopped onions. And few coriander leaves. Saute them for few minutes. Next we are going to add the masalas. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Give a nice mix. Now it's time to add our cooked fish. Give a nice saute. The masala and the fish has to mix well. To this let us add some half a teaspoon of pepper powder. For me this tastes less spicy, so I am going to add more chili powder. So according to your taste add the chili powder. Add the required amount of salt and give a nice mix. Your fish masala is ready. Let this cool down. By the time we'll prepare the slurry. Take 3 tablespoons of corn flour, a little salt, and add enough water to make it runny. Our slurry is ready. By the time the fish masala is also ready, we are going to make it into small balls. Dip it in the slurry and roll it in the breadcrumbs. Make sure you have rolled the balls very tight. The balls are ready to be fried now. Fry this in a hot oil in a medium flame. Turn all the sides and fry it properly. The balls are ready. We can take it out. These fish balls will be crispy outside and will be very juicy inside. Do try this at home. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.